now this is
Under
the
17
National
finals,
Championship.
Game 1. Balagbag Serga versus Tambo Balagbag.
Getting on the jump hold.
Best of 5 to best of 5.
And now let's start our team number 1. Brings up his number 15. Listen guys, lead down the player number 2. Here's Manal. Here's baby on that's a first stolen. Here, the Tambo back on the offense, on the right side. Down there. Here's the thing, and that's a traveler. And now here's the player with Wood. Behind you now on the offense, we put on the left side, fights from the left side. And that's the side, so lead down by Presidio. On the left side, we put up on the Herrera. And here's Patrick. Another first stolen, player number 16 now on the attack. Babasa na picture! And that's a first goes of the ballgame! The player number 29, Atabay with the first of the ballgame. The man on the left side, that's a small turnover! Good defense! Commit, and now here's the player number 29. Here's Atabay, may iba na player number 26. Babasag niya, para kay Michael. Medion, let's go! 2-pointer from the player number 17, and that's a foul. That's a hand of shot block. And now here's Presidio, hand off. The big on the winner, posting again, on another run. Player number 17. Red Sox, and that's a two-pointer. John Raven with good points now on the building. What a good movement from the both teams. 60-money on. First shot. Portland missing the fires. And rebound out for today. As now another offense on the middle and Monster. And now here's the Tambo. Tambo Balagbag and guys on the offense. Bigyan bola para kay 15 rather. Later again on the end of Raimundo. Nice pass, rebound down over there. They're now with the P&D down off the building. On the top of the key. Bigay bola para kayo on the left side. The shot clock is down 14 seconds on the shot clock. With another point! Dan Raven with 6 space now off the building. What a good pass from the baseline. Presidio, and that's a turnover from the team of
8-0.
Kalumpang. And now here's the Kalumpang now on the offense. There's the player number 16. Here's Magaza. Bigay bola para kay there. Bigay now. Swings over the net. There's a big shot by Raimundo. Good defense. But the ball's still alive. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And that's a two-pointer. Then the money went down. And now here's Herrera. Looking for the good to hand up Herrera. Down low. And that's almost a basket. And that's a basket. James Herrera. And now here's the player 16. Guys, I got the long play. And now the ball on the rebound. They put up on the Patrick. Babasag now on the offense, Michael on the right side of the rebound. Hand off, number 17. Roxanne West is on another run. Here's the Balagbag on the offense. Patrick. And that's a two-pointer. Patrick Herrera. And now here's the Tambo Balagbag now. This on the window. Bigay bola on the right side, Pangiliban. Don't forget, down low, another baseline J. Best boys. And here's the Tambo with another offense. Here's Presidio Padel. Here's Padel. Bounce it up. Down player number 22 by James Herrera. James Herrera now on the point guard. He's player number 17 by Hassan. And that's assist from the team of Malumpang. That's a great defense from the under 17. Here's Mosquito. Steven Mosquito. A key player for the rest of the morning now. Here's Malasa now. Kicks it out. Pakainin ng Madrid. Guys, I have a lead on 3. Here, 3-pointer para Kaniban. Here's the move on the left side. Patrick. Dancer. Misfires. Spin shot. And that's the tip of Brazil. Taylor Petonio. And that's a bad pass. Kick ball by this. Here's the number 3. That's up. Rebound of the year number 29. Para kay Taway. Taway na. Bigay bola para kay Michael. It's Michael now on the point guard. And Michael now. Goal! The goal to the finish! Ray Wagner with the finish on the mid-range lay. On the steal and now Pangilinan. Bigay bola para kay Taway. Here's Michael. Miss. Step down and save! Almost a steal. Here's James Herrera. Down low. Down the finish is good. David Vermundo. Here's outside. On the right side. Pangilinan. Babasag now on another left side from the wing. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Pangilinan quickly. And that's the three-pointer. And that's a nice steal. Atake now on the ball. That's another steal. The mid on the ball. They're going to Prestido. Prestido now on. Good ball handling. Prestido. And that's a double down.
Shout out kay Kamer. Thank you.
And that's for the nation group. James missing another fires. And here's Pelé now on the other run. Pelé, that's an Israeli. Place it out. Fires. Here's Prestido. Prestido now on the ball and that's another turnover. Now here's the number 17 here. Left side, on the left side. As I say again, Bill jumper is here. Right now with the 8 points of the bowling. That's a bogey. Here's Mr. now on the offense. Stephen on the right side from Herrera. Here's Patrick. Patrick now going to the feet. Down low. Spinning. And that's a Michael punch. Let's need number 3. That's up. Down on Patrick.
Sino man na dyan?
Patrick down. Piercing shot. Missing the Warriors. Wait for the on the lead down. Here's the point. And that's a lead up this game. And on the right side now. McDee. Bigay bola para kay Prestido. On the right side, player number 10, it's Brent. Brent down on the floor. Brent Herrera. And Herrera with another big play. Herrera runners. And now here's Ataway. Ataway now on the mid-range. Jumper. Miss another fires. And here's Patrick on the ball, but thirsty. Now here's the number 15, here's Steven. Prestino on the ball, on the middle in this first quarter. Looking for teammates then. Mulder lands in the window. And that's a miss pass again. And here's the number 17. Rosas and that's on the right side. First one pass and back pass. Oh, with the tip. Boyga trying to get the ball. Boyga again. And opposite. Partition Boyga. Christina Stephen. Christine. Here's the buzzer. And that's a pass. Good conversion. Again, the buzzer. Shot the ball from the side of Christine. Papasok again. Lay up. Miss the time. Down low. Not opposite. Oh, nice fire. 4 seconds remaining. 2. And that's the end of this team of Alumpang Basketball.
Isa isang lamang ng kalumpang serka.
Oil James with the ball on the right side. Fred. And Ate going over. And here's Alumpang. And that's a good tip. And that's a good fake. Takes it out. One ahead. This Mars lead down from the Ludo. Ludo did grab 6 rebound off the holding. Let's lead on the right side. James. May have the play. And that's another miss wires. Hardly down to 14-point lead. On to the left side. Looking for teammates. Here's Babasag now. Babasag again on the middle. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Left side, fires for 3. That's a nice rock. Rebound down from the Boyga. Back and rebound on the long 3. Leg down. Rebound again. And that's for the hand off by James. Here's Herrera. Trying to make answers back. Pero bola para kay Prestido. Prestido now. Outside. On the way here. Misfires. And that's position staying. 13 seconds. On the right side. Messenix radio. And that's a foul. And that was a steal. Prestido. Ball flip. And that's a turnover. Player number 16, here's Michael on the left side, open up by Michael. And side again, first one down. That's another in and out ball. Here's Patrick, and lay up, miss the lay. Left side, down low, and that's the unselfish play. And that's a fucking foul. Down the footing. Here's Babasag now on the offense, Michael. On to the left side, doing number 11. Say with you. Takes it out. Penetrating the defense. And that's a two-pointer. Player number 17. I think we have a double digit point from player number 17. And here's Vestido. Balik pala pa kay James Herrera. Looking for the screen. Herrera now. James. Shot clock 7. Wesley number 3. Steven Vestido. 3. Wesley. Here's Patrick. 300 Wade. Patrick, many opposite. Patrick Herrera. And now the talaga down on the David. Quarterly down there right now. Here is Mabagal, on to the left side. 40 seconds on the shot clock. This was again. But then, President Springer, rebound, knock shot from behind.
Swerte po, 23. Lamang
Most
po.
rapid in 6 minutes. Good play. But this foul from behind. Foul from the number. All the teammates hand up. Para kay John Raymond. In out. Collection for the Toronto. And that's Missouri State. That's a first straight possession. Para sa Kalumpang. And another misplays. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Hesitation. And that's a foul from behind. Another rebound. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes the play. Quite the shoot. One-handed misfires. Now rebound there by James. Here's setting out. Right to the answers back. Chance still broadening down to single digits. Here's James. Takes it out. Nothing in. One with the fade. There's Myers. And now the other rebound para sa Kalupang. And that's a turnover. And now here's Cristino. Stop for three. And that's a short snap. Down. No one does it. About the pick back. James Herrera. I think there's a dog for digits or 8 points of the ball game onto the left side. Looking for another teammate, here's Fidel. Takes out on the left side, the moment there's a man-to-man defense. Pushing a creating squeeze and there's the Prestige now. Here's Stephen trying for another points. The shot clock winding down, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's James. Another takeover. John Raymond lay on the board. That's a miss for David. Cristino down there. Doesn't get at the prize. Down there. And that's a two-pointer. And 3-pointer now. And here's Cristino. Step back. Left side. Up and up there. Miss another. Almost a steal. Down low, quick shot na ng punto. Kalupang with another possession to take another point. Abante sa tabing isa ka naman. Here's Miguel on to the mid-range. Double to the three. Miss Miguel Mabal. And now, rebound for the Toronto. Bigay bola para kay James. Here's another out. That's a miss ball. Ataway now. On the ball. Place down. A piece of power. Here's James. And that's a turnover. From Iniban on to the left side. Ataway. Tumoyga gives it out. 14 seconds on the shot clock. One-handed. Wrong shot from behind. Para kay Dalmundo. And with the points, John Raymond. And that's a dribbling. Here's Moiga. Flips the play. Almost a minute turnover. 15 seconds on the shot clock. On the play number 29, Ataway. Looking for another teammate. 8 seconds on the shot clock. And that's a little. Here's Molina, middle, block shot, seconds on the shot clock. Fight to shoot. Rebound down by Jonathan Raimundo. Here's Patrick. Bigay bola kay Prestino. Looking for the steal. Prestino now, step back play. Another short para kay Prestino. And here's John Raymond. Bigay bola para kay Pinel. Rebound down para kay Raimundo. Here's Patrick Herrera. Down low. And that's a block shot. Good defense. Pangilinan na on the line. Down low. And that's a delay. One gets it in the first game. Yes, that one team with another points. Brent Aspires. Patrick. Lay up, but the referee is going to whistle. As it's in the ball on the green line. This ball. Ball for teammates, bigay bola para kay Mark. And here's the number 29, John Reed. On the left side, first one downtown. That's it down. Here's Patrick. Another. Oh, that's. Prestino, step back, play number 4. That's about, and that's another bad pass. The pressure from the Game 1 finals. On the middle, Queserad. Left side, first one downtown. Oh, Mr. Bassett, Vidal on the rebound. It's on another run again. Prestino, Prestino. Prestino with another points. Under the minute now. Here's Pangilinan. Celtics up on the top of the key. Bigay bola para kay Moina on the right side. Missing the jumper. And that's a bad pass again. Here's Pangilinan. Going for the free shot. And that's a dropping. Yeah, shot the off. For 15 seconds. There's a foul.
Sala yung pangalawa. Nakapaul ulit. Ito na naman.
Once again, 5 seconds remaining. 2. From the buzzer miss. And that's the
40-29. Ako parang alam pa serka.
Shoutout sa mga Tagalulod. Wala kayo mamaya.
of
Third
points
quarter.
series from the championship match. And here's Mabazing now. On the right side, corner, down low. And that's a block shot. 5. Block shot down right over the goal. One for Deans. Outside 3. On this rise rebound now by King Serena. with full of confidence from herself. And now here's the team of Tamboga Lagad, red 23. That's a short cut stab. Here's number 21, raise up. And that's the play and one. Leslie out. And possession is on the shot clock. Here's Mosquito. And then here's Chiel calm down now. Here's the man and dash of the steal. Lay up and that's a lay off the steal. Michael Mabasa with a steal at the point. And out, leader din kay Milo. Milo down, hindi bola kay Pang-Iban. Pang-Iban, gets out! Back at the body! Back at the vision! (29 to 46). Hello, Batangal. Alvarez. Pasag.
Ready na ako.
Case out that side. Leslie Slender Smith and Mundo. This again. This is the batting one. Naya Perez. Here's the box at down there. Gets it. And good.
Padas na.
Resnido on the ball, trying to get another points. Hand up. Here's Patrick. And that's a back pass. Michael Mabazan on the right side. Nice ready. Hands it up. Lead down the game. Michael. One-handed. And touchdown. Super Mystic. Resnido. Entering the wing side, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Stephen on the wing, Patrick. And the first lead, whether it's Team Serrera. Stop the throw to London line. That's a waiting rather. Six. Look now! On the building. On the left side, on the top of the lead. Down low, good defense again, full steal. On another one, here's Presnido. Steven. And the shot clock winding down, 13 seconds on the shot clock. On the left side, jumper in the left field, keeper goes there. Can be with a 2-pointer now. Nagpaparamdam na ngayon, play number 4. Off the Tamboga Lagad, and on the left side. Trying to against his back. Here's Steve. Here's Steven. Rosino, lay up. Missing the layup. Mabazan, lay up the score. Lay, Michael Mabansag. Boys with the number 1. There's Michael Mabansag again on the lead. Michael, spinning the lead, and 3. And that's. And here's Kamalumban basketball. On Stephen Palestino. Good ball handling, Cardinal down to 20-point lead. On the left side, middle. Down low. Nelson is waiting. Again. And that's academically correctly. Messina down there. Then beat them with the points. Front against swing pass from Stephen Cristino. And cutting down to 18. Left side. On the right. Pass from downtown. Tip in. And now here's Stephen. On the run. And that's a good over. Seconds on the shot clock. Pass it up. Yung flash mo. Yung flash mo na cellphone, hindi ba? And here's the play number 22. On top. Lays it on, and that's a three-pointer. Patrick lay up. Clumsy lay up. Missed. Here's the player number 17. John Raven. Bigay point up para kay player number 29. Here's Atabay. And that's a two-score back.
7, 37, 20 lamang, nakalo pa sa Erga.
And now it's back to the game. Here's Stephen. James, missing fires, and that's a foul. Here's the Mundo on Patrick. Kicks it out on the left side. Patrick, this wise, and that's a two-point. Here's on the top. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Stephen Cristino on the line zone and cuts. Stephen long shot. Stephen Cristino. And now here's Ivan on the left side. Jumper, and that's a good jumper. Here's James Herrera on the right side. Down low right. Misfires. There's a two-way break. And that's a loose ball. And here's Cristino. Grab. And that's a foul. Right side. Tap up the middle. Missing the first again. Lead down the middle. Bigay pala pa kay James. Here's Stephen. Cristino now trying to make it just back. Here's James again on the middle. The shot clock winding down. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 17 stop. Time to shoot. Cristino on the station. Shot stop. From Stephen Cristino and at the free throw line. And that's it. And that's it. Completely by play back to 23 points. Cristino now on the side, then to shoot. Step back row. Missing players again. Side step and this has settled down. Bozil at rubber. That's Moiga. Shot out winding down, then to shoot. Here's from inside. Missing the jumper, Stephen Prestino. And that's another forcing shot. Commit another turnover. Under the minute now in the state. Forty seconds on the shot clock. Spin. Facing right back. Here's back down. Step shot is good. Brad Herrera. Waddling down to 18. Here's Razad. Shot clock winding down. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Starting up para kay Restino. 15 seconds on the shot clock. There's it, so that's up down! So as it's ready for the line, gradually down to 16.3 pound. Shot up on the 13 seconds remaining. Down to 10. 5 seconds remaining.
52, 46.
Vega, missing the fires. And that is full quarter.
62 pala, 62, 46. 16 pa pala lamang.
Final quarter of the Game 1 Best of 5 Series. And now here's Mabensag. And that's a good combination. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Head to shoot. Arms from downtown. And that's a bounce it up. And that's a turnover. Pangalinan. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. Block shot. Ben blocks on the wing now. James Herrera. Wow, 10 Muerto. We have 10 blocks off the wing. Here's it out. 3 seconds. Nice it up. This goes. Battle of the rebound. Mamazag with the rebound. Cross court. Step shot. Side step. That's in this preview. Stephen now to the ball para kay James. Looking for another teammates. Stephen trying to cut the lane. Almost a steal. James get to shoot. Lay up. And chance to make a 3-point play. Yes. Rebound to Pinal. Here's on another run. Palitan ng puntos dito sa final quarter. This is the final dance of the Game 1. Ronnie Hamilton, missing the fire, spread down. Rebound again. Bigay pa naman kay Stephen. Castino on James. Side step. Lays it up. That's a missing fires. Ayan ang 29. Lays it up. That's a 3-pointers. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Second mistake. Alright, John Wayne Agapay. Hindi pa rin nawawalan ng panira ang Kalumpang. But there is another offense for Dre. Pass it up, lead down to Del Mundo, spin, lays it up, and figure Java, Del Mundo. Yes, I see the altitude of the line. On play number 29, here's the top one. On the middle, jumper, main chance good.
Sa ano na yan, sa Alampaserca.
Back to 20 the lead. Left side. That's a two-pointer is good. Patrick Herrera. On the right side, we want to bring the tap. Sugar. In out. In out by Brent. Here's Herrera. Onto the left side. Prestino. Left side again. Back the shoot. Missing the three-pointer. Rebound round by John Payne. John Payne with another. Again, no. But the red.
52-70.
That's a 2-for-2 sensation with team of Kalampang basketball. Here's Cristino on the Hagler. Hand over to Mariano. Ready, Brad, this. Hands off. Here's Pabagsaan. Cristino once again.
Foul na.
Goes to the line right that way. Goes to Brad. To James. Patrick. Finish it. Missed it. 3 points. On the rebound, Slater. Rebound. Cristino. Patrick. That's a hot pass. And that's a turnover. On top of the key. Left side. Fires from 2. And out. And possession. 1-0 po. Naban. Pakinyusog lang po. Again, plate number NCZ 2910 po. Thank you po. Kung hindi naman ba yung mayari, makikiurong lang po. Here's Prestino. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Del Mundo. Missing the fires. Another Miss Myers. And that's a big look as good. On Rosales and that's our play. Join the play at all time. Bring the points. And here's Patrick Herrera. Goes through the play at all time. Agape now. Here's John. Going for Dini's 40 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Jonathan, that's a opening.
Sinuko na ng tambo. Pinasok ng bench.
Hello, check. And here's play number 5. Finland with the points. First place of the third game.
Napasok ko.
Looking for teammates. 10 to shoot. Left side from the number 3. Contest number 3. Guys, they're from Liban with a long ball. Ataway way up on the player number 6. Rizal Arano. Response of the building. At the shoot. Left side, jumper. And out. Last 2 minutes. Jumper miss. And they're using this time wisely. On the left side, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Ready to shoot. From the shoot. As this is one edges over the line. Washburn downtown. Here goes Hammer 3. Great Nova. And again, yung may-ari po ng bayan na plate number NCC 2910. Makikilaro lang po again, SUP, NCZ 2910. Under the minute. Ayan sila. Fatigue the shit. She produces it. So that's like 4 points. That's a 3-point shot the clock. 18 seconds remaining. She produces it. Five seconds remaining. And that's the end of the game.